So hello everyone. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you are doesn't work and study your work hard and still you are fail? So but what if I tell you failure is not your problem? The reaction that you are doing on the failure that is your real problem. So hello everyone. I am Sayyid Rahman Ahmad and we are talking about something that every student, teacher, professional face in their life. But few of you have understood that is failure, not how to avoid it but how to use your failure for your success. Now, what failure is not opposite of success, it is a data. Let me repeat. Failure is a feedback. When something doesn't work, when the simply telling you this method didn't work or the strategy need improvement. That this idea come from the concept of growth mindset. But say skills are not fixed, they can be developed. People fail twice. Most people don't fail once, they fail twice. First failure, the event has happened, and then the second failure is when you are reacting on that event. That is the so then say like I am not capable, this is not for me, or I should quit. That is the second failure that people fail there. On the reaction, that is the real damage happened. Failure didn't stop you. You said step of failure formula. Very simple. Now break it down. Like what's my planning wrong? Or was my execution weak? Or were external factors involved? Now find one improvement, not 10, just one improvement you have to find out after the failing. And next time I will start my class with an activity, or next time I will practice before presenting. Just simply find out one single enough to succeed you after your failure. Now, the second thing is try again fast. Don't wait for motivation, take action quickly. Just whenever you fail, just restart quickly. Don't wait for too long because as much as you delay, the fear will increase in your mind. Now, the real example we can take simply like if as a teacher I take a class and some of time that my students were not engaged. Two point of view. First, I think that I am not good in teaching. I am not capable for teach. That is the first thing. And the second thing is maybe my method didn't work. So what if I take seriously that I am not a good teacher, then I failed. But if method is wrong somewhere or I need improve, I will improve my teaching skill and I will capable to teach more to my students. Biggest mistake that people make it. The wait for feel confident after the failure. As much as you wait, as much as the fear will the confidence doesn't comes before action. When you start taking the action, automatic the confidence will comes to you and then you will become more confident. So next time, whenever you fail, don't say that I failed. You just say that I found that method that doesn't work. I will try with a new method and I will restart the thing and I will try again and I will succeed in my life. If you find that is useful, share with someone that you feel that is also struggling right now and comment and tell me what is your problem. I will try you all and I will try to solve. Now, the what is the one failure that you learned from them and then you can share some of the comment and then we can move forward more. Thank you so much. Bye bye.